Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. As we all know that due to smoke, schools are closed. Today is Monday, 29 November and it's your English lecture day. Today we are going to learn about formation of adjectives and articles. So let's start with formation of adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words used to describe quality of person and things. When we are describing someone's quality, it's called adjective. For example, he is a hardworking student. Hardworking is the adjective because hardworking is describing the quality of a student. He runs fast. Fast is adjective because fast is a quality of a person who runs fast. Formation of adjectives. We can form adjectives from noun by adding base to a noun. When we add base to a noun, adjectives are formed. For articles. Articles. There are three articles: the, a and an. The is a definite article and indefinite articles are a and an. The article to use to qualify a noun depends whether the noun is to be used as specific, definite or a general, indefinite sense, as well as whether it is countable or uncountable, singular or plural. In this topic, we will discuss about the articles the, a and an. The is a definite article. We use the when we are talking about something specific, something proper noun, when we are referring to something. When we are talking about proper noun, we use the. But when we are talking about consonants and vowels, we use a and an. There are 26 alphabets and from which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. A is used with consonants and an is used with vowels. But a and an only used with countable singular. But the can be used with uncountable, countable, singular or plural. But a and an only used with countable singular. We cannot use a and an with uncountable or plural. But we can only use it with countable singular. For example, we have there are some loins. So we cannot use article with it because loins are plural. So we cannot use are with it. We can only use are with singular or countable. Countable singular. A and an is used only countable singular nouns. Those who start with the consonant letters have a tag at the beginning of the word, and nouns that begin with a vowel that will have an tag at the beginning of the word. Means a and an can only use with countable singular nouns. As we discussed earlier that a and an can only be used with countable singular nouns. We cannot use it with single, plural, uncountable thing. The letters which start with consonants, the words that start with consonants, we use tag of a. But the word that begins with vowels, we use an tag. Here are some examples of article. I saw an accident of a car. An accident. Accident begins with a vowel word. So that's why we use an. That is an excellent pencil. We use an excellent because excellent is begin with vowel word. I need a kilogram of salt. A kilogram. Kilogram is beginning with consonant word. So we use a. Can you give me the books on the table? The books. We use the with books because we are referring to the books. We are specifying the books which are on the table. So that's why we use the. The is a definite article. So we use it with the books. He is going to the National Library. As you can see, National Library is a proper noun. So we use the with National Library. The Qaid-e-Azam is a great leader. Qaid-e-Azam is a proper noun. So we use the with Qaid-e-Azam. The is a definite article and Qaid-e-Azam is a proper noun. So we use the with it. Thank you students. That's all for the today's lecture. I hope you all understand this lecture. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.